Helen McMahon here for Expert Village. The next item we're going to put into our beef vegetable soup is tomato. I like the Roma tomatoes, the small pear-shaped tomatoes. I find they have a nicer flavor, especially in the winter time when it's not always easy to find flavorful tomatoes. So I'm just going to take a tiny piece out of the center. We don't want to waste any part of this. And this, of course, will go into our compost. And then using my same chef's knife, I'll cut that in half lengthwise, put it out on the board, and cut it in half lengthwise again, and then half. This way it's pretty small pieces that will very quickly become part of this beautiful soup we're making. The aroma is simply wonderful already. No need to remove the skin or the seeds because they're very small. And this is just a very nice member of the soup. You can add several of these, 2 or 3 or 5 or 6 or as many as you need. So that's ready to go into our soup mixture as well.